ready to ditch your wallet and pay with just a flick of your wrist. Let's get Apple Pay set up on your brand new Apple Watch Ultra 2. First things first, make sure your Apple Watch Ultra 2 is paired with your iPhone. Then, locate the Wallet app on your watch. It looks like a white card with colorful circles. Give it a tap. You'll likely see a screen prompting you to add a card. Go ahead and tap the Add Card button. Now, grab your iPhone. Your watch will hand off the process to your phone for security reasons. You'll see a similar Add Card screen on your iPhone. Choose debit or credit card. You can either manually enter your card details or, even easier, use your iPhone's camera to scan your card. Just position your card within the frame on the screen and let the magic happen. After scanning, your iPhone will likely auto-populate most of the card information. Double-check everything and then enter the card CVV code, which is usually on the back of your card. Next up, you'll need to agree to the terms and conditions from your card issuer. Scroll through, give it a read, and tap Agree. Your iPhone will now verify the card with your bank. Back on your Apple Watch, you'll see a message saying activating card. This might take a minute or two. Once activated, your card will appear in the Wallet app on your Apple Watch. You can set a default card if you have multiple cards added. To use Apple Pay, simply double-click the side button on your Apple Watch. This will bring up your default card. Hold your watch near the contactless payment terminal until you feel a gentle tap. You'll see a check mark on your watch face when the payment is complete, and that's it. You're now ready to enjoy the convenience of Apple Pay on your Apple Watch Ultra. To happy contactless paying.